What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be checking out GlassParency. This is a product that normally you would only be able to get on your car windshield or glass from a professional or an installer that you call and have come to either your place of business or by taking it to a dealer. A couple of things you're going to need for this project: either alcohol or a glass cleaner that is based in alcohol. I would say at least a roll of paper towels. You probably won't use all of them, but it's good to have a lot of them on hand. Rubber gloves, at least one pair. I suggest having at least two. Some microfiber towels, and a source of water, be it a 5-gallon bucket of clean water or a hose. First up, I want to say that this is not a sponsored video. GlassParency did not reach out to me. Since it's not on the market yet, I obtained this product through the VINwiki video. They had a sponsored spot wherein they offered up 10,000 kits. All you had to do was pay for shipping. I got to the video early enough, I clicked on it, I entered in my details, I paid $10 shipping, and it was sent out to me. There were no instructions along with this product. They did not say that we could or cannot make videos about it. That being said, I don't know when this product is going to go live. I'm making the video now so that when it does come out, you'll be able to see how easy it is and get my opinion on whether or not it's worth it. This product is extremely easy to use. They definitely knocked it out of the park as far as ease of use on this product. The instructions are very clear, and the instructions for each step are on the package themselves, as well as there's a full readout on the main packaging of every step in succession. First step, you're going to want to clean the glass. I did a couple different steps of cleaning. I did an alcohol-based glass cleaner first up, like it instructs. Then I actually went back over with 70% alcohol, just for my own paranoia. That, and I actually use Rain-X on my windshield, so I wanted to make sure to get that all off. Next up, you're going to pour a little bit of water on the white Scotch-Brite pad that they gave you. As you can see, the water's beating up on mine, and that's because I do use Rain-X windshield washer fluid. You're going to take the soap, put it on that dot, and then put a little bit of water on the windshield itself. Scrub the windshield really good, and you'll actually be able to tell it's removing a lot. This soap is very strong. It has an interesting smell to it. It's kind of a minty shampoo type smell. Now, I chose to do my rinsing in my garage. I just used a bottle of water. I filled it up a few times. It took about 8 liters of water to actually rinse this down. I highly recommend doing at least this step outside so that you can use a hose or a larger bucket of water. I just didn't want to completely soak the inside of my garage, so I just used a couple liters of water. This next step, and step B, I'm going to say this from experience because I've already done it once. Start on the driver's side, just like it says, and you need to be fast. The towelette is kind of like one of the ones you get at a restaurant. It's paper based. There's a lot of fluid on it, but it evaporates very quickly. Within seconds of starting the application on the windshield, which I messed up, I actually did the passenger side first. Within seconds, it started drying up to the point where I was afraid I was not going to be able to get the driver's side done. I did have enough, there was enough, and it did get it done. There just wasn't as much as when I did it on the passenger side. Step B, do exactly the same as step A. Do not remove step A. It says leave it on there, and do that. Just go ahead, start on the driver's side. Same pattern, up, down, left, right, in the basket weave, they call it. Just do that, coat the whole windshield, and let it dry. Went ahead and step 5, I just used a wet paper towel and wiped down the whole windshield. Got as much of it off as I could. in step 6, I went over it again with paper towel way longer than I probably should have. I also hit it with a microfiber towel just to buff it out after the paper towel, like it says in step 7. I will say this, I do see a little bit of like almost like as if there is something there. So there's definitely some sort of oil film, but as you can see in the video where I splash water on it, you really don't see that. From inside the car, you don't see it at all. It's something that I only saw in extremely bright sunlight, and I assume that's supposed to be there. And that's it. GlassParency has been applied. Took me, even filming it, it took me about 30 minutes to get the whole thing done. So if you're doing this without filming it and just going straight at it, realistically this is a 10 to 15 minute application and you're out. I will give it a few weeks. It's actually going to rain today. I'm going to go check it out. If it stops raining for a few minutes, I'll run out, take a picture, and I'll make another follow-up video here in about a week or so, just to show quickly how it's doing, what it's like, if any birds take a dump on it, which is entirely possible around here. Due to being stuck in the house, I'm not driving as much, so there aren't as many bugs and things on the windshield, but I may take a long drive next weekend just to see and give a follow-up on how easily those are cleaned off. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more stuff like this, workout vlogs and stuff like that, I'm working on those. I'm going to do a lot more car product reviews since I'm, like I said, stuck in the house. But thanks again for watching, and have a great day.